proudly brought to you by Mediatek. Mediatek, just a button away.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bypass factory reset protection lock, also known as FRP or Google account, on an MTK phone using Miracle Box. You'll get the download link of this tool on the description of this video. Once you have downloaded the tool, then you will need to extract it and launch the tool. I'm going to launch the tool. Wait for it to load. Once the tool loads, click on MTK tab because you are working on a Mediatek phone. Then under you are going to select unlock or fix, then select the radio button, clear settings FRP. Then here you are to select your phone's CPU type. If you don't know your phone's exact CPU type, leave it on fourth boot, that's auto connect. But if you know your phone CPU, then you can select any of the CPU that match your phone. Then I'm leaving mine on fourth boot. Then click on the start button. On this pop-up, click on no. Your phone must be charged with battery inside and power off the phone. Then connect with USB cable. I am going to connect mine now. Phone connected. Resetting the phone. Wait for a few moments, then you are done. You have now removed the Google account on the phone. So to power on the phone, you will need to either disconnect and reconnect the phone's battery or long press the power key till the phone power on. But the simplest way to power it on is to disconnect the battery and reconnect it again.